Today I will be crafting my cutest shadow box so far. Now normally I use shadow boxes that come from the Dollar Tree and I decorate them and paint the inside. But this one actually came from Walmart and originally it was just packaging. It had all these little candy canes and peppermints inside them that were ornaments, and I've used these as decorations for different crafts. But when I saw the box, I thought, I'm going to save that. Normally it's something that's just thrown away, but I'm going to turn it into a shadow box. I've already drilled 2 holes into the top because it's too thin to stand, and there's going to be a lot of red, so I painted the entire thing green. And for the paper in the background, I went with this checkerboard pattern of red and green snowflake paper. Now originally I was not going to cover all the edges with my glitter glue and diamond dust, but after cutting out all the paper, I realized that the box is not perfectly 2 by 2 inches. They were wiggly and different sizes, so the paper was not perfectly cut out. So I ended up having to cover all those little mistakes with my glitter glue and diamond dust, and I actually still really liked it, so I'm glad I went with this decision. This is the ribbon I chose to hang it from. There's going to be a lot of red in this shadow box. Really super Christmassy. And here is the fun part. I also debated on doing a specific theme like all snowmen or all gingerbread men. But after looking through all my items, I found so many cute little Christmas themed items that I just decided to do a variety of themes. We have Christmas trees and snowmen and Santas. Lots of different things inside the shadow box. There's also a variety of supplies. I used things from stickers all the way to buttons, and I cut out felt. I used some of my buffalo snow for a little 3D texture, and even some bottle brush trees and a bottle brush wreath. I just absolutely loved how this turned out. Super festive, super Christmassy, and it's fairly small, so it's also super cute because it's just really tiny. So I'm always going to look at packaging differently now, especially if it's wooden packaging in the store. I might even have to buy something just for the box, who knows? But in the end, I really do think this is my favorite shadow box so far, just because it is so bright and cheerful. Now tell me in the comments down below if you have a favorite section, because here is the finished product. Now to take you on a little tour of it, I am going to hold it up so you can see each space up close. This one, of course, is a little Christmas tree with presents, a reindeer pulling Santa's sleigh. There had to be some Christmas ornaments. I had those beautiful buttons that were perfect. This is Mrs. Claus's bakery with a little bottle brush tree. These wooden cutouts of poinsettias and a Merry Christmas sign. Santa's driving a Christmas tree farm truck. A little bottle brush wreath with some lights above it, and of course there has to be gingerbread men with candy and a little snowman. I think my favorite one is probably the reindeer pulling the sleigh, or also the little gingerbread man, because I just love gingerbread men. So again, tell me in the comments down below which one is your favorite, and if you love Christmas all year long, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.